If you want to spend some time alone and learn meditation, this is the right place for you. Maitreya Buddha Pyramid. This is one of the largest meditation pyramid in the world. Hi guys, my name is Nivedita and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to visit Pyramid Valley in Bangalore. This place is located 35 kilometers from Bangalore and it is located in Kanakpura Road. On the way you would cross Ravi Shankar's ashram. The road conditions are well maintained. It will take us 1.5 hour to 2 hours to reach this place. So guys, we have reached Pyramid Valley and we have paid 50 rupees for car parking. It used to be free before, but now they are charging for it. And this is the main entrance. At the entrance you will find the information center for your queries. It was started by Brahmarshi Patriji in 2003. This place is totally surrounded by greenery and small hills, so you will feel the calm and serenity in this atmosphere. As you pass by, you will also find the information with related to their upcoming numerous talks, workshops, training about their meditations. The area is 28 acres. It's a huge area actually, and they have put speakers all across the property, so you would hear the soothing music around everywhere, and it feels really nice to hear the soothing music around here. Also, they have the guided map and direction for all the places. Pyramid Valley has a cafeteria that serves vegetarian snacks and meals. Also, they have a dining hall where they serve free lunch and dinner. As you walk by there, you will find a small lake. You can experience boating or kayaking with your family and kids. They charge 100 per person and they will ride you for half an hour. You will find a big lawn area where people sit, family sit, and the kid plays around. Kids can enjoy it over there. The centerpiece of pyramid is Maitreya Buddha pyramid, and this is towering at the height of 100 feet. The architecture of the pyramid is inspired by Egyptian pyramids. Uh, we are not allowed to take mobiles and videos there, but inside the pyramid there is a large meditation hall where people say it can accommodate 5,000 people at once. Just right adjacent to the meditation center, you have a shopping complex where you can get books, handicrafted things, and decorative stuffs. If you want, you can buy over there. There is a garden over here called Zen Garden. These buildings are inspired by Chinese architecture. Basically, these are the accommodation that can be booked through online for people who practice meditation and comes for the workshops. It's a good place to visit during weekends. Spend some time with nature, with friends and families. It will take your half a day, considering traveling 3 to 4 hours, and you can spend 2-3 hours here. Hope you like this video. Please like, share, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.